Hello everyone, today I will share you about Thai food and how to make a Thai food. This menu is defeat super eater and combined with cool vegetable is very satisfying. It is spicy and delicious. Salad is special ingredient in this menu also. The first I cut the salad is small piece. I eat chili a little. If you don't eat chili, you can put it too. I use one lemon and cut it. This menu I use a cucumber. Cucumber is very cool and cut it in slice like this. I have long bean and I cut it like this also. This is Culantro. Quebec is Pickled. But I need one piece. I slice 3 lady pork. Pan is hot. I add cooking oil and add a piece of salad. Fry it. Add 3 lady pork and mix it with the salad until it is cooked first. Meat it is cooked, so I add 1 spoon of pickle with sauce. Ground chili, red chili, mix it together. I use 1 can of canned fish. And the last, I use lemons and culantro and mix it. It is cooked, is done. Still stir fry it. Keep up a small bowl with fresh vegetable. And I add 1 egg also. Did you interesting this menu? Let's get it up. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you.